Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to change any kind of clothes like this one. Okay, so we can change any kind of clothes for any character like that just with a few clicks. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. Now what I'm going to do now, we need to create any kind of photo from ChatGPT or from FreePic or Midjourney, as you like. Right click and create image, or you can choose paste your prompt. Okay, so nano banana and create. Okay, this one. So after that, create a high quality. Okay, or you can download your photo. We can search for a texture. Okay, we can choose this one, for example. Okay, after that we can come to Photoshop and paste. Okay, wait a little bit, enter. So we can just hide this one, select our layer, and we can come here to this icon. Okay, and we need to make sure we select lasso tool. So we can select our hijab with this one. Okay, so after that wait a little bit. So we have our hijab. So what we are going to do now, we need to control J from keyboard, convert this one to a smart object. Okay, and double click on it, save. This is very important step. Okay, save as. After that we can go to desktop, for example, W, for example. Okay, save. So after that we can come back to our file. Now we need to scale our texture. Okay, or you can make this one to tile, or you can duplicate it as you like, but just we don't have time, so we can come here. Okay, and just we can look here and press Alt from your keyboard and click here, so we will see like that. Or we can come from those dot and creating clipping mask. Okay, Alt Control G from keyboard. So now we have our mask. So after that we can go to filter and distort, and we can displace. So we can by default for this one 10 and 10 and okay. So after that we can come here and select our mask and filter, so we can distort, displace 10 by 10, and we can replace with A. Okay, this one. So now we have our mask. After that we need to come here and multiply. So what we are going to do now, we need to come here, double click and come to this one, blending mode. After that we can look, increase and decrease this value. Okay, like this one. Look, so look, we can increase and decrease as you like. So after that we can come here, Control L from keyboard, and we can look, increase and decrease our value. And we can come here to layer 2, the main one, and just look. Now look for here, this area. Okay, after that, and we can come to this area and opacity just a little bit. Look, now Control L again. So look, this one, and we can after insert this one, or just we can come here to this area and you can play with any color like that. Okay, copy image, and we can come here, paste. Okay, so after that we can come here, remove all of them. Just we can come here, alt from keyboard. Okay, after that we can filter, blur, distort, displace on, and we can choose this one. After that we can multiply. Look now. Okay, amazing. Just we can come here and look. So from this area, look. Amazing. So this is a simple way how to change any type of clothes just with a few clicks. And if you are interested for Unreal Engine or any graphic, how to create your game and how to create 3D character and how to play with Unreal Engine, so I have a lot of tutorials in at my channel, so you can check them. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.